tornado!
Holy shit, it's a fucking tornado. It's a fucking tornado, dude.
Millions of Americans are prepared for a possible super hurricane that has already left 500,000 without power in southeastern and is spawning monstrous tornadoes in the Midwest. The Photoshop the storm project path in 4 p.m. when it is exceeded to hit communities in the northeast. New Jersey residents were warned to prepare to potential tornadoes Monday afternoon, as the violent weather system that powered several tornadoes Sunday made landfall in tri-state. Officials said the eastward moving storm has already claimed one life in rural Indiana, where a tornado slammed into a house when killed an unnamed occupant and a fallen tree killed another in Atlanta. Meanwhile, thousands of Americans were left without power in the state of Southwest and the Midwest after 4 tornadoes passed through the latter. Now sent a thunderstorm in the Northeast. The weather has already damaged Indiana, Tennessee, Arkansas, and Kentucky, with Indiana seeing 4 separate tornadoes. This, along with the possible hail and flash flooding, has delayed a total of 2,067 flights that were scheduled to depart from, into, or within the United States, and another 758 flights were cancelled Monday morning, as many anticipated continued bad weather on the East Coast.